Bringing you fresh news update from NaijaNews TV. No fewer than 53 passengers and crew members on board maxair narrowly escaped death as the local aircraft crash-landed at Malam Aminu Kano International Airport, Kano, on Tuesday night. The Boeing 737-4D7 maxair with registration number 5NMBD B733 crash-landed at 9:15 p.m. after overshooting the runway and eventually losing its front tire. According to reports, the tire of the plane was said to have caught fire immediately after touching down before skiding off the runway. One of the passengers, Aliyu Inuwa, said the front tire busted into flames upon landing, filling the cabin with smoke. We had to evacuate quickly through the emergency exit. Firefighters were already dozing the flames as we go out. However, Malambelu Ramalan, maxair's Kano station manager, confirmed that everyone on board was safely evacuated. He explained that the airline is collaborating with Accident Investigation Bureau (AIB) and the Aircraft and Equipment Department (AED) to determine the cause of the incident. We'll continue to monitor the story closely. For more news updates, please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.